After getting polished up at the end of the welding process, all individual cart and cabinet parts are taken from our general storage area and brought to the powder coating zone. Each individual part is then hung in a single file line on our overhead conveyor system with long metal hooks, which help to provide a static charge connection that is critical in enabling the powder coating to more permanently stick to each part. Once each part of the cart or cabinet is hung in a line on the conveyor system, they are then slowly transported through our industrial washer, which sprays the parts to help remove any noticeable marks while ensuring the powder coat adheres to each part. After making their way through the washer, parts then go through our giant oven to ensure they are properly dried before entering the powder coating room. The conveyor system then transports the parts into the powder coating room, where technicians use a powder coating gun to completely cover every inch of each hanging part in its specified color. The color substance used for all of our products is a unique powder coat finish, which is much more durable and longer lasting than standard liquid paints commonly used with other products. In order to be permanently applied to our carts or cabinets, each powder coating must be properly heated, so once a powder coating has been applied, the conveyor system then immediately takes each hanging part back through the large oven to ensure the powder coat is sealed onto the cart, which keeps the finish non-porous for various infection control benefits. Once all the pieces for a cart or cabinet emerge from the oven, the conveyor system transports them to the beginning of our assembly area, where an assembly team member takes each piece down and readies them to be put together in the next step of the production process.